Hello, welcome back to Fake It Till You Make It, or hi if you're new. Today I have some new things from Kell of a Plan to show you, so let's get into it. The first being this new transparent cover. I love these. I think it's great if you just want like an extra layer of like protection, or maybe you want to kind of create your own like background or cover. And this does have a film you can kind of see on here. These are crystal clear, but they do come with like this transparent film. So definitely, and I believe it's on both sides, so you're going to want to peel this off. Ooh, it's a little static cleaning, and then there's one on this side too. You can tell because it's like a little, it has that like little bit of a cloudy look to it until you get the film off. So you definitely want to do that. I apologize. Hopefully my son has the power washer going, so hopefully that is not too loud. Sometimes I think it's louder for me than it is for you guys, so I hope that that is the case, because I'm trying to beat the sun going down and get some of these things filmed here. So, oh my gosh. I have lotion on my hands. I don't feel like that's helping this situation at all. It's like wanting to stick. There we go. There you go. So now you can kind of, I just wanted to do that. Don't mind the little bits will come off again. I have lotion, but see how nice and clear that is. So love those. I've purchased a bunch of clear covers in the past, like different sizes from all different places, and these are nice and thick, so I'm happy that she sent these over. Actually, I'm not going to try to put that back in right now. We'll just keep on moving right along. Next, we have Party Plans Extension Pack. This is 50 sheets, 1 divider, double-sided, pre-punch. This is the classic size, so the 7" by 9.25, and you're going to get that double-sided divider so you can put it into your planner. Let's move some of this back just so we have a little more room. So we have party planner, date, time, location. We're celebrating budget, venue, food, decor, other entertainment, guests, vision, venue, food, drink, task, decor, setup, after party. And then you get a blank sheet. And I think that's it. Yeah. So you get 50, I believe it said 50, right? 50 of those sheets with the lined back. Did it say on here? What did I just do with that little tag? I've already lost it apparently. Oh, here it is. Yeah, 50 sheets, 1 divider, double-sided. So very nice. And I like that too. There's you can throw this, and you don't have to put all 50. Obviously that, I mean, I guess it depends how many parties you throw or how many celebrations, but I think that is a nice way to kind of keep track of stuff. And actually my daughter's turning 21, so we're trying to plan just a small little get together. So I may need to use one of these to kind of help keep me on track and organized, because I just feel like there's so much going on this summer. Sticking with the kind of celebratory theme, Happy Birthday by Kell of a Plan. I'm going to move this out of the way just so I can kind of show you guys a little bit better. Maybe get this plant out of the way for a minute too. There we go. I think then we just have a little more room. So we have some birthday quotes, birthday lunch, order cake, party favors, party prep, send invites, guest list, party prep, wrap gifts. Oh, I love these like gold number balloons. That's going to be fun. And the silver. Oh, that's cute. Pink. I'll definitely be using some of these for my daughter's birthday. Oh, I love that you have the cakes and you can put the candles in yourself and then pick like the age. We have some monthly boxes, like pink and kind of purple colorway. Very pretty. Lots of different cakes. Just cute. Little tea party vibe. Tea party, birthday party. Oops. Oop, oop, oop. Happy birthday to me. Surprise. Cute. So it's like a more like earth tone colorway. Fun. I kind of like the art style of that. We have some more like primary, like brighter colors. Cute. And that is the happy birthday sticker book. These were sent to me by Kell of a Plan, and they do release this Friday, which will be the 7th, 8th, 9th, the 10th, I believe, at 10 a.m. Central Time. And there is an affiliate link down below if you're interested. And then this is the Planning a Life I Love Volume 3 sticker book. So we're going to start with some kind of planner quotes. Plan for Everything sticker collector. I love stickers. Planning a Life I Love. And you're going to get 2 pages of those. And then these are also white stickers. I love stickers. I plan for everything. She planned a life she loved. Planner vibes. Love to plan. Again, you're going to get 2 of those. We have planner meetup, planner sale, National Planner Day, National Sticker Day, planner release, Kell of a Plan release. So you can add those to your planner. National Sticker Day. Get some more, and then it's going to be a great week. I don't have time for this. Cute. I like the color. I love the purple and orange together. I think that's really cute. Same colorway. And we have that peaches and orange and purple. This is cute too, the dark green. I like that. Cute. And our functional boxes. You always get 2 pages of deco, and then you get a page of functional boxes, which is kind of nice. You have like some office kind of planner vibes. There's something, I have this fuzzy blanket on my office chair and I love it, but the fuzz literally gets over everything. Oh, this is cute. I like those colors. It's really pretty. Then we have like some aqua and purple, some pastels. Oh, these are kind of fun. These little coiled planners and some washi, matching pens and little paper clips and things. So cute. This is like, I feel like a little more girly and pastel. That's cute. I love the spotty dotty stuff. I like the office, the neutral colors, some Kell of a Plan. All I need are sticker books and washi. Cute. And then let's see here. Oh, we have some pink. Sorry, my son is now driving his side-by-side in front of my window, so, right, because he's done power washing it, so he can put it away. Oops, oops. Oh no, all the sunny angels are falling. So that is everything that will be released this Friday. So definitely go check out my link down below if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. And I hope you have a great week planning your best life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.